Hi you guys, so today I'll be applying my very first headband wig. This is 14 inches, 100% human hair. It was so soft and pretty. It looked just like my hair, like it was blown out or something. The Velcro on the back is very secure. There's two of those back there, you feel me? The Velcro are very secure. This is the hair company that sent me this. In the box they had lots of goodies. They had lashes, they had extra clips for your wig. They also had directions on how to apply the wig, and it came with makeup brushes, an edge brush, the whole nine, a wig cap, and a thank you card with all their social media links on the back. So be sure to check that out. I will put it down in the description box below, so you can go ahead, head over to Amazon and purchase this pretty beautiful wig. So this is the edge brush. I use True Edge. It works great. I don't know if it's an edge brush or not, but listen, that's what I used it for. And the edge control smells so good. So right now I'm just going to take the brush with no product and just, get my baby hairs out of the two braids that I just put two straight back braids in and bobby pinned them. And now I put product on the brush, still brushing it down and getting all the baby hairs out. Make sure you do not do your makeup before you do your, baby hairs, because my makeup was coming off all in the brush. It was just a hot mess. But yes, I really don't know how to do baby hairs, but I tried. It came out so pretty though. So let's get to this wig. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It has elastic bands where you can tighten it and untighten it. The Velcro does the same thing, basically. Tightens it on your head, so it's very secure. So I put it on in the back first, and then I adjust the front because I didn't want to mess up my baby hairs. And if you want your baby hairs to stay all day, you can secure it with a scarf first, like overnight, and then do this process in the morning. But the True Edge booster or whatever is the edge control, my edges was not going nowhere. So now I'm just putting the combs into my braids, and then I'm going to flip my hair over because sometimes the hair tends to get into the Velcro. It was very easy. Taking my ears out, and voila, honey. So now I'm just going to go back over my baby hairs. Make sure everything is in place. You can wear it, without baby hairs. You can slide it forward all the way, or you can slide it back as far as you want to. I'm just adjusting it and getting it right. This hair is so pretty. It looks like I just blew out my own hair. Like, beautiful, soft. Yes, honey, you see it. You see me. Yes, okay. And they also sent me this cute headband. Like, they just sent all the goodies. And this headband, it covers up the whole, yeah, it covered up everything. Look at it. Look at her. Who is she? She is me. I was feeling myself with this one, y'all. It's super easy, super quick, super fast. Like, I didn't even have to put a flat iron to it. Like, from homeless to girl, where you going? Yeah. I was really feeling myself, y'all. And then you just take your pedal brush it to your liking. You can flat iron it. This is human hair, so you can put curls in it. You can do anything. Put it in a ponytail. There's a million styles you can do with this. Super easy, super quick. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Mwah.